everyone, welcome to the Learn with XandraSho channel. My name is Alexandra and I'll be your guide in this educational journey. Now, first things first, I am super excited to be here. I'm super excited to be doing this. Thanks to my family and friends for their support, for their encouragement. Thank you so much. God bless you. So today is meant to be an introductory session where you get to learn about me and what to expect in this channel. So I would so much love to share a bit about my background with you. So let's get right into it. Now, starting with my educational background. So I completed secondary school in 2011 and I finished in a school that had a long record of, poor WAEC results. So it was a blessing to have come out with C's. So the only B I had was in government, and it came to me as no surprise because government was my favorite subject and history. In fact, history was not a compulsory subject to be taken, but I wrote it anyways and I had a C for. Okay, so I pursued my first degree at Alexandra University of Education, where I majored English language, and courses related to phonetics and phonology were actually my favorite, thanks to the teaching of Professor Egwago, Dr. Shobeson especially. That man is a phenomenal teacher. Okay, there's something about that man that really inspired me. Okay, so shout out to him wherever he is. Okay, so I continued my academic journey at the University of Lagos, also in English language, where I acquired my master's degree. And I specialize in stylistics, applied linguistics, stylistics as an applied linguistics. So I am more interested and fascinated by how language is used in the real world situation. I am more interested in how it is applied in practical contexts like media and communication, advertisement and marketing, forensic, which is the investigation of crime, literature. So these are practical contexts that I really love to explore. So what do I explore? I like to analyze the linguistic features such as vocabulary choices, sentence structure, figurative language, and so on and so forth. So my research paper is titled The Study of Style in Bank Email Marketing. So I would love to publish this, and as soon as I publish it, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so moving on to my professional journey. So my professional journey has been diverse, I must say. So I began my career in education, teaching primary school, and after my first degree, I acquired Teachers Registration Council of Nigeria certificate, which is TRCN. So I started teaching in secondary school. I taught English, literature, and phonetics. Okay, and I transitioned into roles like customer service representative, YouTube content creator. I explored brand management and digital marketing, and basically I explored roles within the marketing and communication department, and currently I work as a communication strategist and a social media manager for an NGO. So I must say I have been everywhere. Okay, so what should you expect in this channel? Now, if you're a student aiming for success in your WAEC and JAMB, particularly in English, literature in English, and government, this channel is for you. Don't go anywhere. Basically, you're stuck with me. Now, if you're an adult seeking to expand your skills and knowledge through adult education, trust me, you'll find valuable resources here to help you develop and grow. So this channel is for you. Now, if you enjoy engaging content, you enjoy educational content, you would love to explore topics in music, tips in marketing and communications, because I'll be sharing a few of that, you're welcome to also join our community. Whether it's academic support, personal development in my area of expertise, or you just want to have a good conversation, I'll be happy to have you here. So thank you for joining us. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join us in this journey of learning and discovery. Thank you. See you soon.